Hey guys, what's up? It's Elise from the Crunchy Ginger, and it is May 2020. I had to think about it for a second. It's May 2020, and this is my MightyFix. MightyFix is the subscription program from MightyNest.com, and every month you get a surprise, sustainable gift, usually something for your kitchen or your home. And it's aimed at helping you make small changes to live a little bit greener. So I am going to open this box up. I've also added a few other things to my order this month, although I can't exactly remember what they are because I've been isolating for 3 months now, and I feel like my brain is starting to go a little bit, so I can't exactly remember what else I added to my order, but we're gonna find out together. Here we go. Okay, inside the MightyFix. The first thing is I've been ordering this for my husband. It's the Thinksport deodorant in bergamot cedarwood, and I told him that I didn't remember to order it, but I did. Here it is. Look, honey, you don't have to smell this month. Let's see what else I got. Oh, okay, so I'm really excited about this. This is a sunscreen. It's a mineral sunscreen made by Raw Elements, and I've never used this before, but I feel like every summer I am on a mission to find the absolute perfect sunscreen. I use only mineral sunscreen. We stopped using the sort of chemical sunscreen a couple of years ago. Oxybenzone is a pretty egregious ingredient that's in most regular traditional sunscreens. It's an endocrine disruptor, and it also a lot of sunscreens contain parabens and stuff that's kind of problematic. So I prefer to find ones that the active ingredients are like zinc oxide. This is in like a tin thing. So one of the main complaints I have about sunscreens, let me see if I can get this open, we'll check it out, is that they come in these like plastic tubes, and you know, you use the whole tube, or like you use as much of the tube as you think that you can, and then there's like a little bit left in there, and you're kind of like trying to roll it out and push it out. And I'm like a mostly empty sunscreen container hoarder, so I've got like all these ones that I'm pretty sure I can get like one more little squeeze out because this stuff's expensive. And so I want to try this one in this tin because then you can get every little bit out of it. You don't have to waste like that last little bit. Okay, let's see here. Oh, it's got, oh, that is it. I thought there was like a thing on it. Okay, cool. Check this out. So it's like a sort of solid in here. It doesn't really have much of a discernible odor. It feels kind of nice going on. I am going to check this out and report back to you because, as you can see, I am a person who requires sunscreen like at all times. So I am always like trying out all the different ones every year. This one is an SPF 30. It says it's for baby and kids, but I'm definitely going to use it on myself as well. This one has a like the best rating on the EWG score for sunscreens, so I'm gonna give this one a shot. Baby and Kids Raw Elements sunscreen. All right, now on to my fix. Let's see here. Here she is. Let's see what's inside. Coconut body lotion. So this is the first time I've gotten something that's not like a kitchen product. This is like a body product. Nourishing coconut body lotion contains organic calendula, cocoa butter, and rose hip oil. And every month your fix comes with like a little informational thing about what it is. This one says your MightyFix is here. This month's fix is a 6-ounce tube of all good body lotion. Your skin is your biggest organ, and this soothing lotion doesn't disappoint. It's loaded with beneficial botanicals, nutrients, and oils, and no worrisome chemicals. Your skin will thank you. Cool. So I have used this All Good brand before, but I have never used their body lotion. And I make a lot of my own lotions and body butters and stuff, and I'll link some of the video up here. You can check it out. But sometimes it's kind of nice to have something a little bit different. So let's kind of check this one out and see what it smells like. I just took the thing off this. Ooh. Ooh, it smells really good. It smells really good, and it's the consistency is kind of, I don't want to say thin because it goes on like a cream, but it's not, it doesn't feel like oily at all on my hands. It feels like it absorbs really fast, feels really smooth. This is nice. You know what? This will be really nice as the weather gets warmer and you don't always want like a really heavy body butter, which is what I usually have been using like in the cooler weather. Apply liberally to the body daily. I think I will. All right, you guys, I will let you know how this turns out. And I think that's all that's in here. It is. So if you want to get a little happy every month to help you live a little more sustainably, I have a special discount code. You use the code MightyNow, and I'll put a link down below in the description box. You click on the link, use code MightyNow, and you can try MightyFix for just $3 for your first month. There's no obligation. You can cancel at any time. And I would love to know what you're getting in your fix. If you MightyFix, if you haven't done it yet, check it out. If you want to know more tips and tricks to live a little greener and save a little money, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. I post a video every week with a DIY or a how-to or a little tip or trick. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe.